Welcome back to AutoMatrix, the channel where we explore the most extreme and mind-blowing vehicles from around the world. If you love multi-wheeled monsters, next-gen trucks, and ultimate expedition vehicles, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because today's ride takes off into a whole new league. Say hello to the 2026 Scania TITAN 12x12, the king of heavy-duty adventure trucks. This is not just a truck. It's a mobile fortress, a high-tech powerhouse, and a statement of what engineering can achieve when there are no limits. With 12 wheels, 12-wheel drive, and enough torque to pull mountains, the Titan is built for the kind of terrain most vehicles wouldn't dare touch. From the first glance, it's obvious this is something entirely unique. The sheer scale of the 12x12 configuration dominates the road. 6 axles, all powered, with massive off-road tires that can tackle sand, snow, mud, and rocky landscapes. The exterior is aggressive, angular, and functional, reinforced armored panels, oversized wheel arches, and a high-clearance chassis designed for extreme conditions. The matte finish on the body gives it an industrial, commanding presence, while integrated roof racks, recovery winches, and tool storage emphasize that this truck is meant for serious expeditions. Let's talk power. The Titan is equipped with Scania's latest high-output V12 diesel-electric hybrid powertrain, producing staggering horsepower and jaw-dropping torque. Instant torque from the electric motors ensures that even if a few wheels lose traction, the Titan keeps pushing forward without hesitation. The drivetrain is paired with a fully independent suspension system capable of raising or lowering the massive body over 12 inches, giving it extreme off-road clearance when needed or a smoother highway profile for long-distance travel. Even with all this size, the Titan is surprisingly maneuverable. All-wheel steering across multiple axles allows tight turns, while a limited crab walk mode helps navigate narrow trails or tricky terrain where other trucks would be stuck. Scania has also outfitted it with dual fuel tanks and auxiliary power systems, ensuring that the Titan can operate in remote areas for days or even weeks without refueling. Step inside, and the truck transforms from a brute force machine into a luxurious mobile living space. The 12x12 footprint allows for a full expedition cabin with sleeping quarters, a kitchenette, and even a compact bathroom with a wet bath setup. Premium materials, scratch-resistant surfaces, and ergonomic layouts make this truck not just tough, but comfortable for long-term travel. There's a queen-sized bed, modular seating for guests, high-efficiency refrigeration, and a fully functional induction cooktop. The Titan even includes advanced water filtration systems, allowing you to purify natural water sources for extended off-grid journeys. The cockpit is pure futuristic control. A wraparound digital display replaces traditional gauges, showing real-time drivetrain status, tire pressure, terrain angles, and navigation. Augmented reality overlays project the optimal path on the windshield, making it feel like you're piloting a high-tech spacecraft rather than a truck. There's even a rooftop drone pad for scouting ahead, giving the driver complete awareness of obstacles, cliffs, or muddy river crossings. Safety and durability are built into every component. Reinforced skid plates, armored panels, and thick multi-layered glass protect critical areas. Tires are run flat and designed for extreme conditions, while onboard compressors allow instant adjustment for changing terrain. Maintenance is simplified with modular, field repair-friendly components, ensuring that the Titan can keep moving even in the harshest conditions. The Scania TITAN 12x12 isn't just about off-road capability, it's a complete expedition system. From the mountains of Alaska to the deserts of Australia, from remote forests to frozen tundras, this truck provides comfort, power, and independence like no other. It's for adventurers, researchers, overlanders, and anyone who wants to redefine what a vehicle can do. Ultimately, the Titan is a symbol of what's possible when you push engineering and design to the absolute limit. It's not for the faint of heart or anyone seeking a conventional truck. It's for those who want the ultimate combination of power, luxury, and freedom. Owning a Titan means you're ready for any journey, any obstacle, and any challenge the world can throw at you. That's our full look at the 2026 Scania TITAN 12x12. What do you think, ultimate overland beast or over-the-top dream machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to AutoMatrix, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the most extreme vehicles on the planet. Thanks for watching, stay driven, and we'll see you in the next one.